Today I'm going to show you how to make your own colonial wig. You're going to need a blank piece of paper or the wig template, a white piece of paper to cut a strip out of, scissors, a glue stick, and a pen. If you're drawing your wig, you're going to start by drawing a cloud shape to be the top of the wig. And then draw some swirls going down each side. If you're using the template, you're going to take your scissors and cut it out. Now you're going to take your other piece of paper and cut a strip that's about 1 to 2 inches wide. Make sure it's long enough to fit around your head. You can cut extra paper to make it longer. Now you're going to take your cutout wig, either the template or a hand-drawn wig, and you're going to glue the edges of the strip of paper to the edges of the wig. There you have it. You finished your colonial wig.